Welcome to Invest Insight. Today, we're discussing a foundational skill for building wealth, saving money. We understand that in the developed world, with high costs of living, saving can feel challenging. That's why we're breaking down 7 simple, practical ways you can start saving money every single month, no matter where you live. Let's get started. Automate your savings. This is perhaps the easiest and most effective tip. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Even if it's just $50 to start, automating it removes the temptation to spend the money before it reaches your savings goal. Create a budget and track your spending. You can't manage what you don't measure. Creating a budget isn't about restriction, it's about awareness and control. Use a simple spreadsheet, an app, or a pen and paper to track every single dollar you spend for at least 1 month. Categorize your expenses: rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, dining out. Once you see where your money is actually going, you can identify areas where you can comfortably cut back. Reduce your big 3 expenses. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, the 3 largest expenses for most households are housing, transportation, and food. Small cuts here yield the biggest results. Could you refinance your mortgage or find a cheaper apartment? Can you carpool, use public transport, or perhaps even become a 1-car family? Plan your meals, buy store brands, and reduce dining out to drastically cut your food bill. Eliminate high-interest debt. The interest rates on credit cards or personal loans often far exceed any returns you could get from a savings account or investment. Focus intensely on paying off your most expensive debt first. The money you free up by eliminating interest payments can then be redirected straight into your savings or investment accounts. Review subscriptions and recurring bills. When was the last time you checked your monthly bills? We often sign up for streaming services, gym memberships, or apps and forget about them. Go through your bank statements with a fine-tooth comb. Cancel anything you don't use regularly or need. You can always resubscribe later. This simple exercise often frees up hundreds of dollars a year. The 30-day rule for big purchases. Impulse buying is a major enemy of saving. When you want a new gadget, a new pair of shoes, or an upgrade you don't need immediately, make yourself wait 30 days. Most of the time, the urge will pass and you'll realize you didn't need it after all. It's a simple psychological hack to curb spending. Boost your income with a side hustle. Saving money is one part of the equation, making more money is the other. The modern economy offers countless opportunities. Freelancing your skills online, driving for a rideshare service, or selling unused items on marketplaces like eBay or Facebook. Even an extra $200 a month can accelerate your savings dramatically. Saving money doesn't require a complex financial degree, it requires discipline and consistency. By automating your savings, budgeting, tackling debt, and being mindful of your spending, you can build a strong financial foundation. Start with just 1 or 2 of these methods today. Your future self will thank you.